Stop. Don't learn English like this. Most of the beginners making same mistakes. That's why they don't improve. If you really want to speak English confidently, you need change your method. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I hope you all are good and improving every day. Today in this video, I will share you what to do and what not to do to become fluent English speaker, to speak English confidently. There was a student who study grammar every day, who watches videos every day, but when they try to speak, they don't speak, they stuck. Why? Because that student learning wrong way. So you have not to make mistakes like him, you not to become like him. First mistake, most of the beginners start learning English, they first learn grammar, they study grammar every day. They thought, if my grammar is perfect, then I able to speak English confidently. But this is not right. Most of the beginners wasted their time in learning grammars. They wait for perfect grammar, but they don't practice. In the beginning, there's no need of perfect grammar. There is only need start speaking small, easy, simple sentences. Yes, grammar is also important, but not in beginning. When you start speaking simple sentences, then automatically your grammar will improve. Even native learners also focused on simple, easy sentences like I am eating, I am standing, I am drinking, I am talking, I am speaking. They don't focus on grammar. So you also don't focus on grammar. Just start simple sentences. Just start speaking easy and simple sentences from first day only. Start speaking right now with me. You just have to repeat after me. Second mistake is lack of speaking. Most of the beginners start watching English videos and they start listening English videos, English podcasts, English movies, but they don't speak. That's why they don't improve.